was asked, what is the difference between Christ and Satan? And he says, the difference is humility and pride. Because onye a na-eme mkpọtụ meche kịta ikwu nke a na-ekwero. Gụnwa bịara ịnụtata ihe ọ ga-ekwu maka emere na Sunday. Gee ntị, I want to pass mark on it. Maka ama m na imirikiti n'ebe a bịara ịnọchite ndị ha na-ekwuchitere. Ọ kara gị mma ịma na ebe a bụ ebe a na-efe Chineke. Ọ bụrụ ụdị ọbịbịa kwụsị ịbịazi kama ị ga-abịa butere onwe gị abụmọnụ. Some of you may be expecting me to write something and put it online or join the attacking group or the defensive group. It's not my job. I don't have time to waste. I'm not even a priest of social media. It may surprise you to hear that I don't even have a personal Facebook. So all these things I'm hearing, I don't even know about them. Meanwhile, on behalf of myself, Reverend Father Mbaka Ejike Camelus, the servant and the spiritual director of this adoration ministry, Enugu, Nigeria. I wish to apologize humbly to the former governor of Anambra State, Mr. Peter Obi, who came here on Sunday for bazaar. In any way, shape, or form, my utterances and actions on that bazaar induced, initiated, or prompted derogatory remarks, criticisms, unhealthy attack to his personality. I don't intend any of this. All I said on that day, I never meant to insult him, nor to bring his political career down. My intention is simply to support the work of God. If my actions exhibited this manner or any unhealthy attitude that provoked even himself and those who love him, that brought about all these verbal attacks, I am asking whoever was or is or will be hurt to please forgive me. Henceforth, I will equally encourage your adorers to keep focused on Christ, whom we worship here. And I will ask you to cease fire. Stop fighting back. Once more, I ask,